Okay naman? Wala naman discomfort?
Wala
Ang
naman.
mata mo. Okay, sige. So, ma'am, have a seat dito. Ngayon, since done na tayo sa pag-check ng clarity sa malayo, ipapakita ko naman pagka dating sa targets sa malapit, ha? So, observe ko lang muna to. So, ngayon po, kindly hold this chart sa normal distance kapag hawak mo yung phone, yung papers mo, doon sa normal na distance, so when you're working sa araw-araw, okay? Sa ganyang kalayo, hanggang saan yung smallest size of letters, yung kaya mong i-focus na hindi mo fino-force. Yung relax lang yung mata mo.
Ito,
So, hanggang dito. Second to the smallest. So, comfortable and clear naman siya. Okay, so that's good. Sige, so kunin lang natin to. Okay, kunin ko lang yung prescription natin. Sige, magpikit ka muna. Okay, sige. So, ngayon ma'am, discuss na natin ano yung findings natin as of now. So, yun nga, nabanggit mo, you had a recent check-up a few months ago. Nabanggit is merong astigmatism. Okay? So, currently, upon checking, yes, meron talagang presence of astigmatism on both eyes. Okay? Yun nga lang, basing sa clarity, sa malayo, may difficulties talaga. Okay? Yun lang din, with astigmatism kasi, tendency talaga, may times na masakit yung ulo mo, magiging silawin ka sa ilaw. Okay? Pero ngayon, what we're going to do, we're going to fit these lenses. Ito yung ibibigay natin prescription. Sa mga unang araw, unang weeks, just in case may discomfort, totally normal. Huwag mong papuwersahin. Okay? Pag may discomfort ka, try to take breaks muna. Okay? And then another one is yun nga, if you are more onto gadgets or more onto devices, more on papers, anything na malapit, kailangan mo i-control yung oras. Huwag masyadong matagal. Anything na gagawin mo sa malapit, probably around maximum time, around 15 to 20 minutes lang. Okay? Extending more than 20 minutes, pwede na kasi mag-cause ng eye strain.
We battle your sight, we can